Hello viewer, welcome to the HKR Trainings YouTube channel. Today, we have come up with another interesting video. What is Looker? Business intelligence tools play a crucial role in the operations of business enterprises. Data visualization helps businesses to make informed business decisions. In this regard, cloud-based BI tools are getting much more popular because these tools help to transform data into many actionable insights inside the cloud environment. Companies generally manage large amounts of data in their daily operations, which requires a solid BI tool. Here comes the role of Looker, a cloud-based business intelligence tool. In this video, you will learn about Looker in depth. So, let us understand the agenda of this video. What is Looker? Features of Looker. Career opportunities in Looker. But before you start learning Looker, remember to like, share, and subscribe to our YouTube channel. So, let's get started with. What is Looker? Looker is a cloud-based data analytics platform that assists companies in business intelligence and data analysis. It helps businesses make decisions by analyzing, sharing, exploring, and visualizing data to drive better business. Being available as a Google Cloud service, Looker can integrate with Google Cloud Services portfolio. It also allows you to find various data insights within the datasets quickly. Moreover, Looker can also easily connect with different data sources, offering multiple data experiences and modern BI and analytics. Now, let us go through the features of Looker. Features of Looker. The following are the multiple features of this cloud-based BI platform, Looker. Fully cloud-based platform. Being a cloud-based platform, Looker provides you the flexibility to use it. It doesn't require downloading any desktop application to start with Looker. Better data experience. Looker gives you a better data experience. It allows developers to build customized data experiences using inbuilt components and accelerates the development workflows. Dynamic data analysis and visualization. Looker allows you to perform the best data analysis and facilitates data visualization throughout cloud platforms, including on-premise databases. Data filtering. Looker allows you to filter required data from the dashboard to get the most valuable information. Advanced workflow system. Looker provides an advanced workflow system that helps you build reports and share them as per schedule. Further, it supports multiple databases, which makes it easy to use. Career opportunities in Looker. Looker, the popular modern BI platform, offers multiple career opportunities for aspiring professionals and experienced people. Many top MNC companies, like TCS, Adecco Group, Ciena, HCL Tech, hire Looker professionals with relevant skills and get paid higher. The average annual salary of a Looker developer stands between Rs 9 lakhs to 12 lakhs. So, this is all about Looker. Thank you for watching our video. We hope you found this video informative. If you like this video, give us a thumbs up and share this video with your friends. And if you are watching this video for the first time, subscribe to our HKR Trainings YouTube channel and hit the bell icon to get notifications on our following videos. Also, follow us on social media platforms for the latest updates, blogs, and videos. To build a strong career with Looker skills, visit www.hkrtrainings.com and advance your career.